question answers of Kerala and Kantal. Before I start the video, please like our channel, subscribe and comment. Okay guys, so let's start. You can ask further questions and we'll give you the reply privately. So guys, let's start. Kerala. First, Kerala. What are the best things to do in Kerala? There are various interesting things that you can get yourself indulged in when you are exploring the Indian state of Kerala. Shikara rides in Alappi. We talked about the Alappi Island. Enjoy watching rides and bath in Kodanath. Watching snake boat race in Alzapuza. Enjoy your stay in the tree house of Vanath. Vanath also we talk about. Go for a spice in Thekkady. Thekkady also we talk about. Explore the coffee plantation in Vanath. Yeah, we talked about Vanath. And watch the theme performance in Kochi. Kochi also we talked about. Why is Kerala special? Kerala is essentially known for its backwater and extremely picturesque towns and cities. You'll find the cities beautifully lined with tall coconut trees that are a treat to your eyes. Kerala is known as God's own country where you can get closer to nature. Which is the cleanest city in Kerala? The cleanest city in the Indian state of Kerala is considered to be Sultan Batheri since a very long time. Its cleanliness is one of the reasons why you should go to visit this little town. What is the best time to go to Kerala? June to August is a great time to visit Kerala, especially for Ayurvedic treatments and otherwise December to February is pleasant to visit this state. Which is the best place for a one-day trip in Kerala? No one day would do justice to God's own country, Kerala. But if one day is all, then it's available. Then you can explore the backwaters of Alappi. Which is the most beautiful place in Kerala? It's a bit difficult to answer because you cannot choose one. The USP of Kerala is that you can find different landscape in one state. You have tea plantations in Munnar, backwaters of Alappi, beaches of Kovalam. It depends on what kind of terrain you like the most and define your beautiful place in Kerala. In short, there are plenty of best places to visit in Kerala. Is Kerala worth visiting? Yeah, it's worth visiting. Absolutely. There should not be even a slightest doubt in it. Where else would you find hills, beaches, backwaters in one place if it's not God's own country? If you like lush green surroundings and beaches, then you love to go to Kerala. The food is delicious and the culture is fascinating. How many days should you spend in Kerala? Well, it depends on you. If you want to explore all the landscape in Kerala, then you need at least a week in Kerala. If you want to spend a few days at a single destination like Munnar or Kovalam, then 3 to 4 days are fine. Things that you need is to travel by road for long hours from the airport of Munnar, Alappi or Kerala. You should take that time into account while planning your itinerary. How much does it cost to visit Kerala? Even if it is a 3 to 4 day trip, it will take more or less than INR 25,000 per person. That includes your flight, hotels, food and everything. The cost of your budget will depend upon the accommodation you choose. Also, if you cover all 3 destinations, like Munnar, Kovalam and Alappi, it will cost you more. Now we come to Kantal. What are some of the best places to visit in Kantal? Kantal is an upcoming tourist destination which attracts thousands of travelers from every part of the world. The place is full of hotels, small cottages and inns. One can look for good hotels on the internet. And if you want to enjoy nature and stay together, one can stay in camps or Dhanalti Eco Park, as there's a lot of inns and hotels owned by the local people of the state. A perfect place to stay away from the city. How many days should one spend in Kantal? Kantal is a small town and everything is nearby. So we believe a stay for 2 to 3 days is good. Also, if you can join 2 or 3 destinations and go together with no hassle. For example, you go to Dehradun and then Kantal. Have a holiday of 6 to 7 days covering most of the locations area. What are the best months to visit Kantal? One can go there for the year. It depends on what you want to see on your holiday. It could just be lush green weather with good wind. We should suggest you to go during March, April and May. And if you want to enjoy the snow, one can go during the peak time of winter, that is December and January. What should be a budget while you're traveling in Kantal? A decent hotel can cost anywhere around 1,800 to 2,500 per night, and the food is also affordable. Also, if you travel by car, it would not cost you much. So one can calculate it to be 6,000 to 7,500 per person. It is a decent amount to you if you are enjoying the beautiful nature around. What type of food can one get in Kantal? As this is a colder region, we can believe that it will have an access to a good deal of hot food, from Maggi to hot tea stall. Other than that, if your hotel provides food, it will mix the decent Pahari food with the touch of North Indian taste. If you are a non-vegetarian, then trying a lamb curry would be worth of it. What all soft drinks can I buy in Kantal? Before leaving this beautiful place, make sure you buy rhododendron juice as soft drink. Also buy fresh apples or strawberry jam is a good idea. Also some common gifts available in the personalized kitchen with your loved one's name written on rice. So guys, this was our video. If you like this video, kindly smash your like button.
And guys, please share this video with your friends and family so that they can like this video. Subscribe our channel, comment down below, and share with their committees. So guys, and please subscribe our channel, comment down below how do you like this video.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.